Monsieur le Président, vraiment, je vous remercie for allowing me I won't be able to continue in French, but I thought I needed to start with that one. First of all, I'm thankful for President providing this opportunity for me and my delegation and the Rwandans to be able to be here to express our solidarity and also a sense of strong partnership that exists anyway between our two countries, but also in this context of giving you, President, and the people of DRC, and particularly of Goma, our condolences for those who lost their lives during the recent volcanic eruption, and those who also stand with those who were displaced or affected in any other way by the volcanic eruption. Also want to thank the President for allowing this closeness of our people that already exists, in fact, and has existed for many years, to be given a new impetus, a new force to take place. So that's really why I'm here. That's why I'm happy to be here. And I also thank the President, President Felix Tshisekedi of this great country, for having paid us a visit yesterday. And both yesterday and today, we have had a good opportunity to have broad and productive exchanges that will benefit our two countries. And as we saw, we signed a number of agreements. I believe this is just the beginning. There are many areas that we are going to come to in which we can cooperate to build a solid relationship, but also basis for cooperation between our two countries. So thank you very much.